Hey guys, welcome back, and today we've got a bit of a different video. We are attempting to beat a world record today, guys. We'll say January 2020 I started a little challenge called the WPL Climbing Challenge, and that was a little competition to see how steep we get these little critters to actually climb. And as you can see on the door there, I've got a little 67, and that was my official record. I did attempt 68 and it was a bit sketchy, lots of attempts, and I didn't class it myself, so I stayed at 67, and that was a record for a while. And then Tom Lee come along, and I'll try and put a little snippet in now, and I'll leave the video up there for you guys to have a watch and put down the current record of 69 degrees. I know it's hard to imagine, but yeah, these little trucks, for what they are amazing, guys. Highly recommend WPL trucks. So yeah, we're out today to beat that 69. We're going for 70, and I'm going to talk you through what I've done to the rig to yeah, try and beat that record. So quickly looking at the truck, my last setup was pretty similar. The rear I did have last time was on double leafs. This time I've opted for jamming a tire in there, guys, to stiffen the rear up. The front weight was just that this front part of the tray, and I did put a set of wheel weights in there now, but this time round I've extended it, so the battery now lives in here, bit more weight up front, down low, and the wheel weights now live in here like so. So yeah, lots of weight up front, down low, and a little simple but genius contraption. So you can see that wire, I can adjust those bolts and adjust the height of this when it's climbing. So yeah, I want this as close to the floor as possible. Originally it was just at 90 degrees, I'm screwed in pretty tight, but yeah, this little mechanism allows me to get the perfect weight distribution. And one more change I've made. Last time round, well, for the record, we used V2 tyres. I have recently been messing around with V1, and they have been putting down good 68s. The V3 I haven't tried yet, but we will see if they can achieve a 70. And then that left me with the V4, this new tread pattern that's WPL have released. And yeah, I thought I'd try out the V4 to see if they give me any more grip. I've tested this weight distribution setup, and it holds a lot more than 70 degrees. I probably could get it to about 80 degrees before it even starts tipping back. So the weight distribution is spot on. It's just a matter of getting the grip down. I literally cannot get the traction to get the truck to start pulling itself up. So yeah, we're going to see if these V4 tires are going to be any better, and we're going to see if they put down more grip than its predecessors. Weights in the front, no foams, no weights in the rear, foams, and obviously then I'll be putting weights up front. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much my setup. It's the same as last year. WPL dual speed, plastic axle housings, metal gear internals in there, guys, 20 amp ESC, and yeah, my little climber. Let's see if we can climb 70 degrees, guys. Okay, guys, here it is, 70 degrees. Let me just quickly show you that. I put that on there, it'll lock when it's balanced. Here we go. We got 70.1 degrees, guys, and I'm going to do this all in one take. I'll leave that there at the bottom of the ramp. I'm going to flip you guys around so I can hold my gimbal a bit better. Yeah, we're going to set off. We're going to see if we can do the 70. Wish me luck, guys. I've tested the setup, and the stabilization will hold over 70. It's just getting that grip down. So are these new V4 wheels going to do the trick? Oh my god. Here we go, guys. Climbing 70 degrees. Check that out. Let me quickly grab that. Whoa. Oh, let's put him down. Hey, congratulations, B. So on the side of the door here, Yeah, get a little close up for you. Don't know if you can see that. I got 67 scratch there, guys. That was the record that this little truck held. I can now put a nice 70 on there, and I can finally say I beat Tom Lee's record. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We got new content every Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.